right, week 3, day 1 questions. Question number 1. Your thyroid gland plays an important part in all of the following except A, how energetic or tired you feel, B, how fast you can run, C, how quickly your heart beats, or D, the rate at which your body converts food into energy. Go to paragraph 1 on page 232 and that'll help you figure out which one does not fit. Question number 2. Read these questions from the passage. The thyroid is one of many endocrine glands that controls body functions. The glands are part of a system that regulates hormones. Which of the following describes the relationship between the first sentence and the second sentence? Okay, so the first sentence tells us that the thyroid is one of the many endocrine glands that controls body functions. The second sentence is telling us that those glands are part of a system that regulates hormones. So, what's the relationship between the first sentence and the second sentence? Is it A, the sentences make comparisons about the thyroid? Is it B, the second sentence adds information to the description of the first sentence? Is it C, the first and second sentence describe steps in a sequence? Or is it D, the first sentence names a cause and the second sentence describes an effect? Question number 3. Question number 2, that one's just going to have to, you can figure it out. You guys are smart. If you need help, holler. Question number 3. Why might an overactive thyroid make a person skinny? Is it A, because it could make the person feel sleepy and less energetic? B, it could make the person want to do more exercise? C, it could make the person's body absorb calories more quickly? Or D, it could help the person eat less fattening foods? So go to page 232 and to paragraph 4, and that will tell you how an overactive thyroid might make a person skinny. Question number 4. Read the following sentence. The thyroid secretes this chemical into your bloodstream, which is your body's superhighway. In the sentence, the word secretes means it cleans, it removes, it delivers, or it hides. Okay? Take each of those words and replace the word secretes with each one to decide which one sounds the best. Now, that sentence can be found on page 232 in paragraph 2. Question number 5. The main purpose of this passage is to A, provide a list of hormones and explain what each one does. B, to describe the thyroid and how it works. C, to persuade young people to eat better and exercise more. Or D, to compare and contrast the thyroid with the pituitary gland. Do you know what the answer is? What's the main point of the whole passage? Question number 6. The thyroid is one of many endocrine glands in the body. What other endocrine glands were mentioned in the passage, and what do they have in common with the thyroid? Okay, go to page 232, paragraph 3, and that will tell you the other endocrine glands that were mentioned and what they do. Question number 7. Why might living in a high pollution area have a negative effect on a person's thyroid? Go to page 233, paragraph 1, and that will help you answer that question. Question number 8. The question below is an incomplete sentence. Choose the word that best completes the sentence. Blank, the pituitary gland is only the size of a pea. It can push the thyroid into production, which is why it is called the master gland. Is it A, because, B, although, C, first, or D, overall? Here again, take each of those words and put them into that blank and then read the whole sentence to see which one makes the most sense to you. All right? If you have any questions, holler at me. Otherwise, I'll talk to you tomorrow.